Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this isn't necessarily a cybersecurity video, but I'm going to be doing an overhaul of my work from home setup, and the biggest thing being converting from a stationary desk to a standing desk, and showing you some of the accessories and peripherals that I purchased along with the desk. And basically my reasoning behind purchasing the standing desk was I want to be more conscientious of my health going forward. I've been working from home for almost 2 years now, and this sitting desk or sitting down all day just isn't working anymore for me. So I'm just going to show you the build, show you the final build, show you what I'm doing, and that's pretty much it. So I'll see you at the end. So this is some of the stuff that I purchased. We have the removable desk stand. It's basically a stand for my webcam, and you see the diagram of it right there. I have like an architect light, I guess. It's like a desk light, but it hangs over the monitor instead of, sitting on the desk or being clamped to the desk. And I have a monitor stand, but I'm not going to use it for the monitors. I'm just going to put like my phone and other crap I have laying around on my desk into here just to free up some of the clutter. I have a Lenovo dock for my dual monitors. Have a USB-C extension. This is a laptop stand. I have these Q35 wireless headphones from Soundcore. I love Soundcore. They make pretty good products, very reasonably priced. And I have the under desk wire cable management system here. I have a under desk mount for my PC, and then you see the actual standing desk itself, or at least the base, which is from Flexispot. And then the actual desk itself is right here. Alright, so excuse all that mess. And then you see my current setup is pretty janky. It's not that bad, but it could use some improvement. Then I hate this bar right here. I can't really stretch my legs, so that's going to be a huge thing for me. You see this kind of crappy homemade NAS that I have set up. But yeah, I'll show you the build process, and then I'll come back at the end and then show you the finished product. And that's it. That's the video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching my home office transformation. And if you did enjoy the video, please remember to leave a like, comment, or subscribe, and I will see you in the next time.